Good morning, class. It is third part of question number 5. Find the area bounded by the curve y equal log x, x-axis, and the line x equal 1 and x equal e. We know that the graph of log x is in this form, means it is 0 at x equal 1, and we have to find the area between x equal 1 and x equal e, value of e, that is x equal e. We have to find this area. Now it is given function y equal log x, means area bounded by curve is equal 1 to e log x dx. Now integration of log x is solved by integration by parts, and the formula for integration by parts is, suppose there are two functions, first function, second function of x, then integration of these two functions is first integration of second minus derivative of first function, integration of second function, and integration of the term obtained by these two terms. Then firstly we let what is first function. Suppose it is 1 into log x, then first function is log x, second function is 1. हम सेकेंड फंक्शन उसे लेट करते हैं जिसका इंटीग्रेशन इजीली हो जाए. वैसे आइलेट के मेथड से सॉल्व करते हैं, लेकिन वो जब इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स आपको पढ़ाया जाएगा तभी आप पढ़िएगा. फर्स्ट फंक्शन log x, सेकेंड फंक्शन 1, देन log x by the formula integration of second function means integration of 1, integration of 1 dx minus derivative of first function means d by dx of log x, and integration of 1 dx, and we have limit 1 to e. Now integrate log x, integration of 1 is x, apply limit 1 to e, and integrate this term. Log x is 1 by x and 1 is x, x cancel out, dx 1 to e. Then integration of this term is, put upper limit, we have e log e minus 1 log 1, integration of 1 is x, limit 1 to e. E log is e minus log 1 is 0, log e is 1, e minus 1, and it is equal 1. And it is answer.